Instead of having to get the E string from the low string, they do a D on top of the A, and you can get a lower, You have that middle low string. Hey, real football. What are you doing? What are you doing? Ow!